In the world of digital marketing and search engine optimization, aka SEO, keywords play a pivotal role in driving organic traffic to your website. They serve as the foundation for your content and strategy and help search engines understand the relevance of your web pages to user search queries. However, with the ever-evolving landscape of SEO, it has become increasingly important to choose the right keywords to maximize your online visibility and reach your target audience effectively. Here are some tips how to choose the right keywords for your website if you just started creating your e-commerce, a small e-commerce site, or whatever site you're creating. First of all, try to understand your target audience. So this is the first step in selecting the right keywords in order to have a deep understanding of your target audience. What are they going to search online in order to find your products and services? Consider their demographics, interests, and search behavior. Put yourself in their shoes and think about words and phrases they might write in search engine in order to find information about you and your business. This empathic approach will help you identify relevant keywords and phrases. Don't go after broad match, like, for example, if you're selling clothing, online clothing for pregnant women, and I would recommend choosing 1, 2, 3 keywords per page, and don't duplicate the same keywords on all other pages. I worked on e-commerce websites, and before taking over the project, I noticed that they use the same, the client used the same keywords and phrases for all the, let's say, he was selling dresses, maxi dresses, in different colors, so all pages related to maxi dresses had the same keywords. Don't do that. Just you have to give variation of keywords and phrases per each page, so that makes that page unique, and you can write content related to those keywords and around those products. This is how you can rank it. And of course, building backlinks and so on. Start by brainstorming a list of seed keywords that are directly related to your business. Then utilize keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner and expand your list and discover additional keywords. You can also use SEMrush as well, because there are very good keywords you can find. There is a good tool you can use for your business, SEO tool. It's good for both your SEO and PPC campaigns. And like I said, focus on long tail keywords. And if your business, and leverage local keywords. If you're living, let's say, in Texas, then if your business operates in Texas, then incorporate local keywords can significantly boost your visibility in local search results. Include the name of your city, region, neighborhood in your keyword strategy. For example, instead of targeting coffee shop, aim for best coffee shop in, let's say, Texas or Paris or Berlin or wherever you're living in, Beijing. So this tactic helps you attract users who are actively searching for products or services in their vicinity. And stay updated. SEO is a dynamic field, and search trends can change rapidly. So stay updated with latest industry news, algorithm updates, and emerging keywords, and monitor the performance of your chosen keywords and phrases. I highly recommend installing Google Analytics 4 because Google Analytics 4 will be universally in use. Improved Google Analytics, so now all are in one place and you can use Google Analytics, install it on your web page. Helps you a lot. Yeah. Anyway, that's all, folks. Just remember, choosing the right keywords is fundamental to a successful SEO strategy. By understanding your target audience, conducting thorough research, focusing on long-tail keywords, analyzing keyword difficulty, considering search intent, leveraging local keywords, and staying updated, you can optimize your website's visibility. Until next time, bye.
Long ago, artificial intelligence, AI, only existed in the realm of science fiction. Today, it's a reality and is only growing more prominent each day, spreading across both every imaginable industry and countries. But what is the #1 AI modern person interacting with on a daily basis? The internet. While search engine technology has been around for a few years, algorithms have been revolutionized by the introduction of AI technologies. Because this trend will continue into the foreseeable future and become increasingly more important as the years go on, any digital marketer, small business owner, or social media user needs to know how it all works and how you can use it to your advantage. In the future of artificial intelligence and digital marketing, you will dive into the details of artificial intelligence, AI, and how it has dramatically affected digital marketing. Documenting the advancement of AI digital marketing, this book offers proven solutions to mastering digital processes and search engines. The importance of applying empathic machines in digital marketing can't be overstated, nor can the benefits of using humanized AI digital marketing. Revolutionize your digital marketing world with The Future of Artificial Intelligence in Digital Marketing. Get your copy today.